Hey guys, welcome back to the Luvele kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to turn the humble cauliflower into an awesome tasty snack using the Luvele Breeze Dehydrator. If you're into dehydrating, then we've got some videos already up on the YouTube channel showing you a couple of recipes and different ways to use the new Breeze Dehydrator. The great thing about this machine is that it can stack up to 9 trays tall. It also has a number of control settings allowing you to successfully dehydrate all sorts of things from fruits, vegetables, nuts, you name it, you can do it in this machine. But for now, let's get straight into our cauliflower popcorn. This recipe is super simple. I'll start by preparing my cauliflower. I've got 2 large heads of cauliflower here. All I'm going to do is take the outer leaves off, give it a really good wash, and then cut it up into small pieces. I'm then going to blanch it really quickly in batches, toss it through our spice mix, and put it into the machine, which is going to turn our humble cauliflower into the perfect Friday night snack. When you're preparing your cauliflower, make sure that you're cutting your florets into really small pieces and that they're all evenly sized. This will make sure that they dehydrate evenly and that you get that really nice crunchy texture that you're after. To blanch your cauliflower in batches, place it into some boiling water and then into a strainer, run it under some cold water and shake out any excess liquid. Once it's cooled down and you've gotten as much moisture out of the cauliflower as possible, pour it into a large bowl and we'll get our spice mix made up. To make the spice mix, we're going to just put all of the ingredients into a small bowl and give it a mix. I've got 1/4 cup of olive oil, 1/3 cup of hot sauce, I'm going to use sriracha today, 2 tablespoons of smoked paprika, 1 teaspoon of ground cumin, 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder and a pinch of salt. Pour the spice mix over the cauliflower and give it a toss. Now our cauliflower is ready to go straight onto the trays and we'll set our machine settings to 75 degrees for 10 hours. So let's have a look and see how it's turned out. Our cauliflower has dehydrated nicely. It's crunchy, it's the perfect popcorn size, and that dehydration has actually intensified our awesome spice mix flavors. So there you go, another way to use your dehydrator to make yourself a tasty snack. Give this one a try for your next Friday night movies. Let us know how you go in the comments section below. As always, don't forget to hit subscribe if you haven't already and give the video a like if you enjoyed it. Otherwise, we'll see you again next week for another Luvele Life recipe.